Can you increase or decrease your final expense coverage in the future? Let's talk about that right now. So the great news about this final expense insurance is that you can make changes to your plan in the future if that's what you need to do. In most cases, people decide that they actually need more coverage. They've been blessed to live long, healthy lives, and what used to be enough coverage in the past is no longer enough. So we can just look at adding extra coverage onto their existing policy. Now, it is very rare that people approach us and say, hey, we'd like to decrease the coverage on our policy. That is rare, almost never happens, because as time goes on, inflation increases the price of everything. Everything gets more expensive, and therefore most people want to add more coverage, not reduce coverage. The first thing we want to tell you, if you have a current policy, is don't cancel that policy. Don't let anybody ever talk you into canceling that policy just because it's an old policy. Chances are you bought that years earlier. Your rates are already going to be the lowest they can possibly be just because you purchased that many years ago. Don't let an unscrupulous agent talk you into replacing that with a more expensive policy just so that they can get a larger commission. So in almost every case, we recommend you keep your existing policy. The only reason we would look at replacing it is if you bought it less than 2 years ago and you can replace it with a first day coverage plan that will get you much lower pricing. If you ever want to change the coverage amount on your final expense life insurance policy in the future, you can do that. Just make sure that you're talking to a trusted and reputable life insurance agent to help you make those changes and to consult you on what to do with your existing policy. If you need some extra final expense life insurance or you need to change your current final expense insurance policy, just give us a call at our toll-free number. You can also find us online at our website. We look forward to helping you out with this. Until that day comes, you take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.